Hey, what's going on, guys? Got a call from Chris the other day. Apparently he got some parts for his car he wants us to install today. So we're going to run on up to the garage and see what he got. And also he mentioned something about a surprise for me as well for my car. So I'm not sure if he got me the same parts for my car or what. But either way, pretty excited to get up there and see what it is and to get it installed. But we're going to try to get some different footage today, not just in the garage, but we're going to try to get some out and about videos, running around, messing around and stuff, because I don't want the channel to be all in the garage. I want to be out and actually doing things and other exciting stuff. But it's a little cold out. As you can tell, it's been snowing and the river doesn't make it any warmer around here. But it is 21 degrees out, so it's not real cold, but it's pretty cold when that wind starts blowing. The windshield can get down to like 10. It's pretty nasty. But anyways, there's my Chevy. Anybody hasn't seen it yet, I did do some stuff to it to get it going. Well, we're gonna take a look at it. All right, guys, here's my Chevy. I don't know if you've really seen it yet, but we'll do a quick walk around on it. It's an 84 square body. Got a 4-inch lift, sitting on 33 1250s. Still got the factory wheels and needs a paint job, but it's not too bad. You had to ignore that crap right there. I had to hurry up and patch it up to get it inspected, but it passed, so that's all that matters. All right, I'll show you. Ignore the inside; it's pretty dirty. We last time I had it out, I took a mud and then never cleaned it up. And if anybody knows how to get those freaking rearview mirrors to stay up on these older trucks, let me know. I've glued it up there probably 10 times. I've let it sit in here for about a week or two before I hung the mirror up there, and it still falls off within a few days. But anyways, it does have a small block 350 in it. It does have a small cam in it. I put an all-new carburetor, Holley 670 Street Avenger. Also has an Elderbrock intake. Put new coil on it, new cap, new rotor. I got new wires for it. I don't know if I mentioned it. We got a new alternator. Had to put a new fuel pump on it. We got all new brake lines all the way through the truck. New hoses, brake hoses, new calipers, new wheel cylinders, new brake hardware, new everything related to brakes, new booster, new master cylinder, everything. Even threw in a vacuum canister here for the extra, little bit extra vacuum from the can, because the can pulls, well, it doesn't really pull any vacuum, I guess. At idle, I have about 12 to 13 inches. So, yeah, the brakes don't work without that canister. But new belts. It's a fairly new water pump as well. So, hopefully in the next few days to a couple weeks, we'll get some videos of this thing out, ripping on it. Oh, yep, new tires as well. All right, guys. We'll head on up to the garage now and see what Chris got us. Hello. If you don't want to be on camera. Must be a hell of a car wreck. All right, guys. We're finally here at the garage. Chris finally decided to show up, what, about an hour late? Yeah. Anyway, just gave me time to put some Christmas stuff up and let the car thaw out a little bit. It was a little frozen. It's kind of hard getting the doors open this morning. But anyways, like I said, Chris here, and here is the goodies that he got. All right, excited to see what we got here. Got some camel bushings and purple.
Bushing Designs bushings.
Oh. Pretty.
And most importantly, instructions. Look, man, it's where an RS says.
Wow.
What? It doesn't say 16 or 15, 13 through 18.
Yeah, take these back. I like how they circled in purple too.
You like that?
I like that. Those are nice.
Yeah, they were. Aluminum.
Aluminum. They're light.
What'd you do with the other ones? Oh, okay.
All right.
That's yours. That's mine.
Yeah, to put these in, we gotta already put this in at least.
Yeah, we gotta take the.
And, let's see here, what do we got in the instructions?
Take the battery out. Battery's gotta come out.
So those go under the hood?
Yeah.
Really?
Take the battery out, and it's like.
Okay, I thought those were under the actual gear shifter.
No, this is. Well, you can buy solid base bushings that go under your.
Yeah, that's
shifter.
what I thought those were.
But this right here goes on the underside of your shifter cable that goes onto the ball stud.
Right.
And these are for the linkage underneath the battery.
Well, see what we can jack up here. Alright, anyways, guys, we got our bushings. And in order to put these bushings in, gotta take the air filter out, the whole box and everything. So you gotta take the battery out too.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta take the battery out. At that point, we should have access to the trans down there and all the cabling.
The shifter arms are just right here below.
Yeah.
Or right there, you see it?
Yeah, right
Silver
there.
piece.
Oh, hell, I thought it was right back there. Yep, right there. Boom! Yep, that little green thing right there is what we replaced. Well, the white thing under the green thing. Alright, guys. You can see it now and after. Alright. What are you laughing at? You'll see everything, okay? It's YouTube. Alright, got everything out. We actually already got the new bushings in. But got the bushing in right here. And Chris.
Yeah.
Actually I got a light here, never mind. Oh, 3% battery. Yeah, we're gonna need your light. There we go.
iPhone to the rescue.
Whatever. But you can't see him with the. Well, hell. You get down here.
There we go.
You can see the new little bushings right there. There's one right there. One right back in there. Hopefully it's focusing. There's another one. Get back in here. So if I can drop the GoPro down. Right there.
Those are really deep in there.
That's what she said. But alright, now to put this mess back together.
Can we pull my car in? You can fix all this later. I gotta go.
It's like punk rock.
Demonetized.
Women.
That's lost money. Your girl's costing me money.
Look at them. They're both on their phones.
They're working hard.
I know.
Is that heater warm? Oh, it just shut off. All right.
Who's cold now?
Actually, I think yours is colder.
Jess.
She looks more
What are you doing?
shrugged.
Hello, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can help us fix this problem over here.
We're missing.
I mean, I'm sure I could fix it.
We're missing some parts.
We're missing some parts. Can you start the car?
No.
We need you to put these tires on too, by the way.
I mean, I'll supervise. Make sure you're doing it right.
You mean doing your phone while we work?
Uh-huh.
You're doing a good job.
Did we do it right?
Thank you.
Did we do it right?
Sure. I think you leave it just like that. Just shut the lid. It'll be good.
I'm not convinced.
Me either.
All right. It's enough hanky panky. In the car.
Sorry. Jess, you get the car.
Damn.
So now you got a programmed fuel injection?
If you
Get
get
extra fuel.
Get to move my seat.
It
back.
is.
Steering wheel.
It is.
Probably not.
Okay.
I'm driving it like 20 feet.
Still got better than you.
Oh,
Attitude.
you're shorting the jaw, hell.
Loud. Crackle.
Spraying the coil starter to make that noise?
Yeah, is there upholstery?
Sure. Tell Billy to come down. There we go, look out the window.
Oh my god. Dude.
Sometimes you can hear the motor a little bit.
I'll see you, Mike.
Yeah, I might be back there.
Oh, here comes the beast! Pop the hood, Jess.
I will.
Hey, why'd you bring this snow in my garage?
Yeah, why's it all this snow in
What the
here?
hell? Did you not clean it off
Where
first?
is it?
It's on the very left side. She doesn't know.
I can't see. I guess it's this thing, but I'll pull it if it's not it.
It looks like a lever.
It sounds like she says that a lot.
Oh, here it is.
We ran into a bit of a snag.
The engine intake is quite the piece of work.
The
Down, hang on a second, let me put this over here. Underneath this filter, see one ground wire right there. Underneath the filter, there's another one that the bolt that holds it down is also the same bolt that engine decided to use for their shield or whatever the hell you want to call it.
yeah.
However, apparently when we took this off, the washer that was between the shield and the ground wire fell off.
Fell down to the well.
Yeah, it fell down the bottom and had the cover on the bottom so it didn't hit the floor. So we didn't really hear it. And we put it all back together. Thought we were done. Opened the door. The control module relay started buzzing like a mofo and the lights were flickering. So we disconnected the battery and went inside and had some dinner. Came back out, got to looking at it again, pulled this all back out. I said screw it, just put a bolt through to hold the ground wire in, and sure enough that fixed it.
Thank God.
Yeah, so I found another washer. Not sure why, just adding a washer fixed it. I guess maybe it put more pressure down on it. But anyways, it's now fixed. But that was quite the job. I mean, who would have thought putting some freaking bushings in on the trans would cause electrical issues? But anyways, it's back up and running now. We think we haven't tried firing it up yet. I'm try firing it up. See if it runs. Fire it up, see what she does.
Jess, you want to start it? You got the key?
Hold on.
Key should be inside the shouldn't it? Oh, the keys are in the house.
Oh, you started taking them in.
Sorry.
Are they?
It's on the little banner.
Ah.
Little banner beside the kitchen table. There's 2 sets of keys there. Drop the gun on that one. We all make mistakes sometimes. She's so cute. Give it the beans, babe.
What?
Give it the beans when you start it up.
The beans.
Probably should open the door on
Woo!
Wow.
That was a little laugh. Oh shit!
Did it pop his eyes, man?
I don't know. It's close, man. Yours. Hello. Is that Brooke?
Yeah.
Hey, could you hear that?
Yeah.
Billy was revving the van up.
How are you?
Stinks in here too. Smell. Smells like catless.
What was that?
Smells like heaven.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. Feel the shifter with that ball, Billy. Feel good?
Yeah. That's impressive. Oh, phone. I thought there was underwear in the floorboards there when I first opened the door.
What was it?
The pink socks. I was like, oh.
Did you ever see my boots gauge, like the start sequence?
So there I was.
No.
You should show the people. Man.
Alright guys, we got a new boots gauge. So what happens here? It can count. Does it not concern you that it displays 666 when it starts?
I never thought of that.
Just saying.
It does do that, doesn't
It's a
it?
little sketchy.
Well, tool check.
Tool check.
Snow.
Up. Oh, I see a problem.
Fixed.
Good. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. I'd like to give a big thanks to Chris for buying a couple sets of those bushings. That was a blast putting them on both of our cars today, and I greatly appreciate him giving me a set as well. That was very thoughtful. But if you guys liked this video today, please like and subscribe below. And if there's anything you'd like to see in the future, just leave it in the comments. Later guys.